In this problem, we are going to see a complex shape having blank areas also. That means it will be like this. So we need to find the area, the centroidal coordinates, centroid, or locate the centroid of this shaded portion. Okay, so the distances are, this is 40 mm, this is also 40 mm, height is 40 mm. And the radius of this thing is 20 mm. Okay, so how to solve this? First we will be drawing the reference axis to the base and left side of the shape, x and y. This is origin. Now the centroid of a regular shape is, say if it is a rectangle, we can easily find out, but as there are some blank shapes, that is, we can divide this into three basic or standard shapes. That is, first one is the whole rectangle with the 80 by 40 size. So that is first area is a rectangle. Then the second one is this triangle. The third one is this portion of the circle, quadrant of a circle. So these 2 and 3 are not there. We need to get the centroid of the first, means this shaded portion. So what will be the equation of x bar and y bar? Normally, if there are 3 portions, it will be like x bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Similarly, y bar is equal to a1 plus a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. But in this case, it is a little bit different. That is, the difference is, it will be a1 x1, that is area of the whole rectangle into corresponding centroidal axis, minus a2 x2, this area, minus a3 x3 divided by a1 minus a2 minus a3. Similarly, y bar is also equal to a1 y1 minus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 minus a2 minus a3. These are the equations. So we have to subtract the corresponding values of second and third area. Okay. Now let us see how to find the corresponding distances. First, the first area rectangle, it is 80, this is 40, and its centroidal axis R. This will be the centroidal axis. So this is 40 x1 and this is y1 equal to 20. Okay, and the area is equal to how much? 80 into 40, 3200 mm square. 3200 mm square. Then for the second area, that is the right angle triangle, we have the triangle like this. This is 40. This is also 40, and this is also 40. Okay, so its centroid are like this. It will be like this. So for this will be the x1. This will be x1. So this is x1, and this is y1. Okay, so y1 equal to how much? 40 by 3. 40 divided by 3 equal to 13.33 mm square, and x1 will be 80 minus 40 by 3. 80 minus 40 by 3. So it is equal to 80 minus 40 by 3. So the value should be 66.67 x1, and its area A2 is equal to half into 40 into 40. So that is equal to how much? 800 mm square. 800. Okay. Then for the third one, will be like this. Okay. So this distance is 20. This is also 20. Okay, and this is also 20 because the radius is 20. So its centroidal axis will be like this. Okay, so here x3 is, this is x3 equal to 20, sorry, 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. So that is equal to 8.49. 8.49 x3. Then what is y3? Y3 is, this is 4r by 3 pi or equal to 8.49. Okay, so the total is 40. So this distance will be 40 minus 8.49. So y3 equal to 40 minus 8.49. It will be 31.51. 31.51, and the area A3 equal to pi r square by 4. It is equal to 314.16 mm square. So we have all the data here. That is, now we will calculate the x bar. X bar equal to a1 x1 minus a2 x2 minus a3 x3 divided by a1 minus a2 minus a3 that is equal to, we will calculate this. A1 is 3200 into x1 is 40 minus A2 is 800 into x, this is x2. x2 is 66.67, then minus 314.16 into x3 is 8.49 divided by 3200 plus minus 800 minus 314.16, that is 3200 minus 800 minus 314.16, and this will be equal to x bar equal to 34.52 mm. Similarly, y bar equal to a1 y1 minus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 minus a2 minus a3, and that is equal to, when you substitute the values, 3200 into y1 is 20 minus 800 into y2 is, this is y2 is 13.33 minus 314.16 into y3 is 31.51 divided by 3200 minus 800 minus 314.16, and it is equal to, y bar is equal to 20.82 mm. So x bar and y bar are 34.52 and y bar equal to 20.82. So if we mark it on the figure, it will be like 34.52 means 34.52 means x bar will be 34.52 around here, and 20.82 means just above the centroid. So this will be G, and its coordinates are 34.52 comma 20.82. This is the solution.